Welcome to day 5 of our seasonal resets, where we are focusing on gut health postures, yoga postures for our gut. We are going to be doing a sequence lying down on our mats today, so make sure you're getting yourself ready. My name is Nina. I've been teaching yoga since 2003. I'm a yoga teacher trainer and a yoga health coach, and I'm very glad that you are joining me here today for a session on yoga for your gut health. All my information is in the descriptions below, which you're welcome to check out after our yoga together. So let's get going. Let's come and lie on our tummies today. That's where we're going to be starting. And as you do that, rest in what I like to call the dolphin, where your hands are underneath the forehead, the toes are in and the heels are out. Now, as you rest here and you allow the abdomen to release down into the mat, and you breathe smoothly and deeply in and out through the nose, take a moment to think of how you would feel 12 months from now if you were to do just a little bit of yoga every single day. What would that change in your physical body? Would that make you feel stronger? Would that make you feel more flexible, more balanced, more even, less pain in a certain part of your body? What would that change for you? And just noticing that. And then at the same time, also taking a moment to acknowledge a time when someone expressed deep gratitude towards you and how that made you feel. And allow that feeling of upliftment and happiness and joy to spread through your whole body. Lovely. And with that awareness, we're going to start our practice today with a cobra stretch. So a very, very gentle baby cobra stretch. Your legs are going to go straight back. You're going to press down through the shins and the top of the feet, as long as they're not hanging off a jetty. You're going to slip the hands underneath your shoulders. And as you inhale, draw the nose and chin along the mat, just opening up. You're going to lift the hands off the mat as well, so that you can't actually push deeper than your body is ready to this morning. Exhale slowly lower. It's all about taking a little bit of time. Inhale as you lift up, and exhale as you lower, to work into our kidneys and our lower back. So anyone who's got any back problems, please make sure that you do this very, very gently. Adjust and adapt in a way that you know your body needs. That's just once more. And then release. We're going to go into my next favorite posture, which is you're going to extend your right arm out in front. Bend your elbow. Place the hand onto your back and sweep your left arm behind. Now see if you can grab hold of your fingers. If you can't, you might just need a strap, or you can just hold onto your shirt. Doesn't really matter. And all that we're doing here is that the right elbow starts on the mat. Inhale, your right elbow lifts. As the right elbow lifts off the mat, so does the head and the nose. And you're going back into that cobra, but with that arm. We're doing 2 more rounds. Exhale as you come down, elbow to the mat. Inhale, elbow lifts, head lifts. Maybe the chest comes up. Keep looking down. Exhale, release. And once more, inhale, elbow, head, chest. Exhale, release. Fantastic. Good. Release that right arm. Sweep that left arm out in front. Bend the left hand. Place the hand onto the center of your back. Sweep that right arm behind. If you can grab your fingers, go for it. If not, grab a strap or just grab hold of your top. Inhale, lift, elbow lift. Head and chest. Fantastic. You're doing great. Exhaling back down. And again, inhale, elbow, head, maybe the chest. Press down through the shins and the top of the feet. Exhale down. One last time, inhaling, elbow, head, chest. You're doing great. Exhale down and release. That's it. Let the toes turn in and the heels out. Arms down by your sides. Notice how the body feels. All right, so that was working into the upper body a little. We're going to do a combination where we're working arms and legs this time. So for this one, I'm going to invite you to send your right arm out in front. Your left hand can be under your forehead, actually, if you want. I like to turn the palm of the hand up and like cup my head in that, but you may want the palm of the hand down, or you may not even want your hand under your forehead. Either was fine. Some people actually even like to rest their hand on the back of their head, the nape of the neck.
So find what is comfortable for you. And once you found that position, inhale, bring your right arm up and your left leg up. Small distance, we're not doing big movements. Exhaling, slowly lowering back down. That's it. We're doing 2 more. Inhale, arm, right arm, left leg lift. Exhale, lower. And so what we're doing today is we're working not quite into kind of like the abdominal organs, but we're working a little bit more into the kidneys, the adrenal glands, and those are so important when it comes to our gut health as well. Switch sides, so bring the right hand under your forehead, left arm goes out in front, and when you're ready, inhale, left arm and right leg lift. The head can stay on the mat, you don't have to lift the head. Exhale, release. If you want, you can, up to you. And kind of like, again, your kidneys play such a big role in eliminating a little bit of, they are what are helping to reduce and eliminate the toxins from the body or to flush out your system. After that third one, gently release. Slip both hands under the forehead, toes and heels out. Let your body recover. And we don't have to do hectic postures. We don't have to do a lot of rounds, just a little, just to get the organs squeezed and moved. There we go. And then we're going to do one round where we're going to be working arms and legs. So when you're ready, extend both arms out in front of you, legs are out behind you. Inhale, I'm navigating like boat boys and half a jetty. Feet hanging off the jetty is quite hilarious. Inhale, arms, head, and legs lift. Exhaling back down. How did that feel? Was that comfortable? Does your body want another round? If it does, inhale, lift. If it doesn't, that's fine. You don't have to do another round. One is more than you did yesterday. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, arms, head, legs lift. Stay here. Hold. Breathe. Good. You're doing a great job. You've got this. I know you do. Keep breathing. And exhale, release. Bring the hands under your shoulders. Inhale, curl yourself up. And exhale, press back into a child's pose. This is such a lovely posture to do. Sometimes I like opening my knees a little bit more into more of a frog than a child's pose. But this is such a lovely movement to do after you've done back bends. So hang out here for a little while. Take a couple of deep breaths. And as you hang out here, just acknowledge the amazing, awesome human being that you are, that you've taken time for yourself, that you've made you a priority right now to improve your health. And when you're ready, you can slowly walk your hands towards you. You can uncurl. Lean back, drain the sinuses. There you go. And just acknowledge the beautiful day. Thank you so much for practicing with me, for being here with me today. And again, remember, if you'd like to join me on my seasonal reset with a whole load of other awesome human beings, head down to the descriptions below and you'll be able to find out when we go live next again. Until then, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 6 of our seasonal reset, where we're going to be doing a lovely lymph drainage practice. So be sure to join me for that.